Morning, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax. We are at our Palm Beach Gardens location here, and you are looking at a 2018 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest that just came in. What a gorgeous boat. Triple 350 supercharged Verados, underwater lights. This boat is the perfect blend of fishing, cruising, diving, you name it. Hopping in the nice easy walk through here. Look at this great cockpit for entertaining. You got a pull-out electric grill when you want to cook the fish that you caught. Wonderful seating. Everything folds up flat so you can open up the cockpit when you're fishing. Built-in live well. Cockpit refrigerator out here, sink. Boat has the electric sure shade system on it that gives you shade for the entire cockpit. Really nice walk around gunnels. High bow rails. There's actually bow cushions on the bow for laying out as well. Look at the hardware Boston Whaler uses on these seats. This just exudes quality. This is a fully air conditioned helm. Beautiful lounge seat here on the port side. Fantastic captain's chair. Twin Raymarine GS 165 displays. Joystick controls, Mercury DTS, throttle and shift. What a beautiful helm. You do have an electric vent that opens up so you can get some fresh air through here. Look at the nice cabin on a 34-foot boat we have here. This forward V-berth won an innovation award. Push one button, the table drops and converts into a complete beautiful bed. Really nicely appointed cabin. Another refrigerator in here, solid surface countertops, microwave, LED flat screen TV. You have a really nice couch on the starboard side here, and you also have a mid cabin which will sleep two people as well. And you also have a beautiful enclosed head, vacuum flush toilet, vessel sink, full built-in shower. It's a perfect blend of everything for our South Florida waters here. Walking back out to the cockpit, give you one last view of how great this boat is. Again, this is Tyler Hill. Today we're at MarineMax PGA up in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Give us a call today, 561-654-6058. Thanks for looking.